If you've ever literally daydreamed about ditching that brutal morning commute for a cozy home office, well, you're in the right place. Welcome to This Explainer. I'm stepping in today as your personal career coach. We're going to build a complete, step-by-step playbook to help you land a legitimate, high-paying remote role at Amazon in 2026. Let's just dive right in.
So why do most remote applications totally fail? Look, right now thousands of people are getting paid to work from their living rooms, their bedrooms, even their kitchen tables. Yet most applicants who go for these amazing roles, they literally never hear back. And I see it all the time. It's not because they lack the right skills or drive, It's almost always due to one fatal application mistake. It's a massive error that instantly drops their resume straight to the bottom of the pile. In this explainer, we're going to fix that mistake for good.
Okay, here's our quick roadmap. We're going to cover the reality of these 2026 remote roles, how to tailor your tech support resume, the difference between HR and admin paths, how to spot those nasty scams, future-proofing your skills with AI, and then we'll wrap it all up with an actionable strategy checklist.
All right, Section 1, the 2026 remote job reality. Let's bust a major myth right out of the gate.
There's this widespread myth out there that Amazon only hires warehouse workers. Honestly, that is completely false. Behind the scenes, Amazon actually employs a massive, kind of hidden workforce. We're talking thousands of remote professionals who are managing operations, providing support, and handling technical tasks entirely from the comfort of home. So yeah, spoiler alert, forklift certification is absolutely optional here. The real takeaway is that there are incredibly accessible entry points waiting for you right now, and a lot of them don't require years of crazy specialized experience. Let's actually look at one of the most popular and accessible entry points, the Virtual Customer Service Associate. Just picture this, starting your day with a fresh cup of coffee, logging into your computer, and helping customers without ever actually leaving your house. The tasks are super straightforward too. You're answering questions, helping with returns, fixing account issues, and providing support over chat, phone, or email. Really, if you've got some patience, solid communication skills, and, basic computer knowledge, this is a fantastic way to get your foot in the door at a massive global company.
Moving right along to Section 2, tailoring tech support resumes. Let's look at how to stand out for an even higher paying path. Okay, so a ton of people completely skip over the technical support specialist roles because of a massive misconception. They just assume, oh, I need to be a software engineer or some master coder to even apply. No way. Here's the truth. Amazon values sheer problem-solving ability almost as much as hard technical knowledge. You really don't need to know how to code. You just need to be great at troubleshooting accounts, figuring out devices, and helping with software. And because this role takes a bit more technical comfort, it usually comes with a significantly higher earning potential.
Now, here is the secret sauce, guys. Remember that fatal application mistake we talked about earlier? This is the exact fix. Most applicants send the absolute exact same generic resume to every single job they apply for. But think about it. If hundreds of people apply with the same cookie-cutter resume, how on earth do you stand out? You've got to tailor it. If you want this high-paying tech support role, toss that generic template. Highlight your specific problem-solving experience, showcase your technical wins, and really emphasize your troubleshooting skills. That one strategic tweak will literally pull your application right out of the generic pile.
All right, Section 3, HR versus administrative tasks. It's time to choose your path and see which highly organized role fits your vibe.
If you're one of those highly organized people, you actually have two distinct, super rewarding remote paths to choose from. On one side, we've got human resources support. This one focuses heavily on the human element, the candidate experience. You'd be scheduling virtual interviews, guiding candidates through the pipeline, and handling employee communications. It's super resilient during company growth periods. Now, on the flip side, administrative and operations support. This is for the logistics lovers out there. You are basically the operational backbone of the company. You'll be managing complex schedules, tracking projects, coordinating large teams, and putting together critical reports. Both keep the lights on, but they take very different daily mindsets. So ask yourself, do you want to manage people's experiences or manage projects and data?
Section 4, spotting fake job scams. Because as your coach, I definitely need to make sure you're staying safe out there.
Listen, before you send out a single application, we have to talk about the dark side of the remote job hunt. Because working from home is so incredibly popular right now, scammers are everywhere. Like, remote job scams are literally at an all-time high. You need to instantly hit the brakes and walk away if you see any of these major red flags. If a job promises some totally unrealistic get-rich-quick income, it's a scam. If they ask for an upfront payment for equipment or training, scam. If they demand sensitive stuff like your social security number before you even interview, or if they guarantee you the job without a real process, run the other way. Legitimate employers, especially Amazon, use very structured professional hiring processes. Your absolute safest bet is to strictly use Amazon's official career site. Period.
Moving to Section 5, AI and Future Digital Skills. Let's future-proof that career of yours.
The remote workplace is evolving so fast it'll make your head spin. Companies are pouring money into new technologies, and as a candidate, you've got to match that pace. As organizations roll out complex virtual collaboration tools, your digital communication skills just have to be flawless. And as they integrate AI-powered support systems into their day-to-day operations, you have to show you're adaptable and hungry to keep learning. You need to work with the AI, not try to compete against it. Plus, as remote work gets truly global, you'll be dealing with diverse teams across crazy time zones, which really demands advanced, independent problem-solving skills. The applicants who actively mastered these specific digital skills, they are the ones who are going to survive and thrive in 2026.
Finally, Section 6, your winning strategy checklist. Time to take everything we just talked about and put it into motion. Okay, here is your exact 4-step execution plan to completely bypass that generic applicant pile. Step 1. Do some self-reflection and identify your specific target role. Are you customer service, tech, HR, or admin? Step 2, and this is huge, do not send a generic template. Tailor your resume specifically to the core tasks of that exact role. Step 3, future-proof yourself. Upgrade your digital communication and show off your adaptability to new tech, like AI. And Step 4, keep yourself safe by applying only through the official Amazon jobs site. Seriously, this is how you get noticed by real human hiring managers.
I really want to highlight this quote directly from our source material because it hit the nail on the head. Working from home isn't a shortcut. The people getting hired take action. It's so true. Remote work offers this incredible lifestyle, but it still takes genuine effort to get there. The people who actually land these lucrative gigs, they aren't just endlessly scrolling job boards, they're taking action. They're tweaking their resumes, learning new digital skills, and deliberately setting themselves up for success.
So I'm going to leave you with this thought to chew on. Are you going to be the applicant who just fires off generic resumes into the void? Or will you be the one who is fully ready with a targeted strategy when that perfect role opens up? The 2026 landscape absolutely rewards preparation. I really hope this explainer gave you the tactical playbook you need to stop guessing and start applying with total confidence. Get out there, tailor that resume, and go make it happen.